Okay, so I never showed in a video yet that you actually bought my Evo.
Correct.
And then you brought it back to nearly stock, except for the suspension. It's still pretty low. But I was trying to hold out. But it's actually been, how long has it been since you bought the Evo?
It's been 6 months.
6 months, holy shit. And I kept these wheels because these are my dream wheels. Wanted to buy a 240 or something just to put them on. Never ended up happening. Priorities have changed because of this car. Joe is now buying them today. I'm like more sad about selling these wheels than the car. Because these wheels are hard as fuck to get, or you have to wait a long time. And I love mag blue on white. So today's your big day.
Yay.
Hot boy spec, 18 by 10.5 plus 15 on the Evo. It's gonna look fire, as always, like every TE. Especially that color though. Does not get any better than that. I'm sad.
Hey, sound good. Yeah. Look, I'm interested in making as opposed to making friends. Double bangs. I've been paranoid having the safest sex. I'll take the check. Finishing this drink should only take a second. Mark just cut me off. He told me that I go on stage at 10. Walk out to my own shit on the main event. Vinci my cologne after the show. She told me that shit was a favorite sense.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I originally started doing HPDs with an Evo 10. About a year ago, I switched over to a Honda S2000, mainly because I wanted something that would more effectively teach me to become a better driver. The Evo is a great car on the track, it was super fast, but its advanced electronics and all-wheel drive system kind of seemed to be hiding a lot of driver mistakes and errors that I was making. So I wanted something that would kind of fast track my progression. Well, I finally seem to be getting over the learning curve of driving the S2000 fast, and it took about a year. So this is every spin out and wheel drop I've had in my first year of tracking my S2000. Dude, what the fuck? Oh god.
Yeah, I think you caught dirt or something.